If they ain't keying on me up there. 86. I'm glad you got off my old bloody freight train. Well, you tell Goat Roper to get quiet, nickel waving a hand, I'm gone.
Alright, so let's explain what's going on here. We got somebody with a really dirty transmitter. You'll see the center frequency is right here. And watch when I move the cursor over. This is how far this gentleman is splattering. His tips go all the way out to 305 here. And all the way up to about 380 here. Almost up to channel 38. Well, that's not really considerate to anybody else, is it? To me, that's really just inconsiderate. That's a real asshole right there. That's the kind of shit right there. That's the kind of shit I'd like to go take and cut the coax and smash their equipment and tell them to try again. You know, I just think that's really inconsiderate to all the other operators out there. It's just not considerate. I mean, I don't care if you want to be loud, but at least have a clean transmitter. I mean, you know, for real. Seriously.